Ayun na po,
Okay,
sir,
thank you.
recording.
Thank you po so much, Roland. Thank you. Thank you for cooperation. And Shaira Grace, can I ask you to pray, Miss Shaira? Where's your camera, guys? Hindi nyo inoon ng camera, ha? Miss Shaira Grace?
Wait lang po, sir.
Okay. Hindi mo memorize, ha? And on your camera, guys, especially yung leader's prayer, on nyo na camera, I want to see your PCs.
Game na po.
Thank you, guys, ha?
Let us
Again,
put
that's
ourselves.
importante, AutoCAD. Very important. Huwag yung yan, lalo na kay engineers, ahead kayo sa technology. And AutoCAD ang pinakauna-una yung pag-aaralan. Ha? Huwag kayo papahuli sa technology, ha? Gen X kayo. Okay, so Shaira, you can lead na. You can start the prayer.
Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear Lord, teach me the things that are important, to be generous with your gift, compassionate to those who have less, just in the face of unfair circumstances, true when the world values contradict my own, gracious when things don't go my way, and magnanimous when they do. May nothing else matter except faith in your goodness, my neighbors and mine. Hope that things can get better, and charity that always sets things right. May your special love for the poor, the mark of my uniquely Vincentian education, be the work I excel in, the standard I constantly refer to, and my courage when I need you someday. With Mary, our Mother, and Saint Vincent de Paul. Amen.
Okay, thank you, Shaira Grace. Okay, how many are you now? 32, 33. Again, huwag magtatampo, ha. I don't want you to drop out in my class. Kailangan, it's 2 months na eh. You exert effort to get the computer kasi you enrolled CAD eh. It's CAD. I don't want you to drop or fail in my subject. Talaga, guys. And I want you to learn. AutoCAD talaga. Lahat ng secrets ko, bibigay ko sa inyo. And hindi ako madamot. So, I'll now start sharing my screen. 36, 35 nandito. We can start na, okay? Okay. I'll start na, okay. Okay. Okay, can you now see my screen?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you? Okay.
Opo.
Okay. This is similar to your exam today. Actually, okay, to be honest, guys, I was planning to give you so many. I'll just show you the, this is the blackboard. Ayos naman blackboard, I'll just show you, yung plan ko dapat, di ba, you remember the pagudpod, yung pagudpod lot, property lot? Di ba? I was planning to give you so many property lot, But again, since alam niyo na yung script file, and alam niyo na rin yung Excel worksheet, yung spreadsheet, malamang is magkokopya lang kayo using yung script file and Excel file. So, walang sense na ibigay ko yung property line. Alam niyo na yun eh. Di ba, kapisado niyo na, guys, no? RIA, especially RIA. RIA Antilihaw. Tama ba? Expert na kayo sa script file, ha? So, hindi yun ang ibigay ko today. So, I'll just show you, Ito, these are the property lots. Printer ko na siya eh. Marami siya, pero again, hindi ko na itutuloy. Baka mag-complete this, sobrang dami. And ano naman ito eh. Pakita ko lang, just to show you. So now, you will concentrate only on one polygon lang. Yung Star of Jericho, Jericho Star. Parang Israel. Medyo mabagal na blackboard today. Medyo mabagal nga. O yung baka yung connection ko lang.
Di po sir, sa akin din po.
Mahina talaga. Paano kayo mag-exam? Kaya pa ba?
Nag-error po yung
Nagbo-blue
kanina,
screen,
sir.
sir.
Lahat po ata, sir. Lahat po. Sa
Sir,
akin din
nag-error.
po.
Pakita ko sa'yo, sir, yung screen ko ngayon.
Sa akin din po, sir.
Oo nga eh. Anyway, pakita ko na lang exam. Sige, huwag na natin tuloy ito. Hindi ko na natutuloy itong property lot eh. So, again, nagbigay ako ng maraming property lots. So, hindi ko natutuloy. Kasi nga may shortcut na eh. Alam niyo na yung mga shortcuts eh, di ba? Yung script or yung notepad and yung Excel spreadsheet. Hindi na natin tuloy ito. So, ito na lang, Jericho Star. Okay, I'll just show you the file mismo, the actual file. Mabagi lang ang Okay, this is the one, guys. I posted this already. Okay, I'll try to open the Blackboard exam. I'll open it now. Magdami kayong matututunan dito, guys. Kahit exam to, mas may matututunan din kayo. I'll open it now. Visible to students. Okay. Talagang, mahina ang Blackboard niya. Okay, while waiting, I'll just explain, no? So this is the magandang exercise to. Ang daming matututunan. And it's simple. Kayang-kaya. Yakang-yaka. But again, you use your common sense. And yung iba, without AutoCAD, you can answer the question. So, two set of your exam will be two set. Yung one is, you have to do this in AutoCAD. Yung first part is, you have to draw this in AutoCAD, no? 40 points. So you have to put the labels and actually you should be accurate, Kasi yung second part is multiple choice questions. So all my questions, it's around 12. So 60 points yung second part, 60%. First part of your exam is hands-on on AutoCAD. Using AutoCAD. Then yung second part is multiple choice based on the drawing that you draw in AutoCAD. So 60% yon, question and answer. 5 points, 12 questions. So 60. No? Okay, clear tayo, guys. The drawing, maximum point you gain for the drawing. I'll give you 40 if maganda, perfect. Merong text, merong yung accurate yung mga lines. Yung measurement is accurate. And ito, pagka-drawing, mayroon siya dimensions, mayroon siya, text. I can give you 100 is 40 points. 100%. Okay? But you have to answer yung set 2. Set 2 is parang ganito. It's 12 questions, So, meron ganyan. Can you see, guys, yung questions? What is question number 1? So after you draw the object, the polygon, yung Star of Jericho, this one, Star of Jericho, yung Israel. This is the flag of Israel. No? So after you draw this one, you have to measure area. No, ang command is area. I'll show you now. Actually, I already draw this one, no? Pero hindi ko na nilagay ibang text. Kulang lang dito is dimension dim. Angle. Yung isang command is dim angle, Yan. Okay? What else? Ito. This is dim angle. Okay? Ay yung mga dim horizontal, ano pa mga kailangan dito? You just put all the text is okay here. So I have these angles, okay, and then yung iba lalagay natin. Say yung dim align. Dim align wala pa, Ito pa. Okay. Dim align. Dim alley. From there to here. Okay, so tama naman lahat. No, and then yung dim angle, dim ang. So, kukopyahin nyo lang yung kung ano nakalagay dito, no? And I'll give you 40, guys. Yun lang. You learn dimensioning. Okay yan. So, kulang pa ako dito sa baba. Dim ano to? Dim horizontal. Dim HOR. Okay, I'll show you again. Dim horizontal. Pero of course, yung star, hindi ko papakita sa inyo paano gagawin. Alam niyo na to, di ba? So, the star, actually, that is your exam. No? And actually, you by now, alam niyo na kung paano gumawa niyan. Ano? One command lang, guys. One command. Since we need area, yung command natin is P-line. You can follow, guys. Can you follow? I'll show the graphics again. Okay. So, obviously, may instructions dito, guys. Tingnan niya. Instruction. Draw the star shape as shown below with the P-line. Why P-line, guys? Bakit ba P-line? Kasi, close siya eh. Close polygon siya. Kasi kung line lang, hiwalay-hiwalay, watak-watak. The lines are segmental. No, but if you use P-line, it's one entity or one object siya. Okay? And you can if one object siya or one shape siya, you can actually get the area. Kasi buo siya eh, it's full. Unlike nung line, kapag line ang ginamit mo, putol-putol, hindi siya one whole. Segmental yung lines. So, AutoCAD cannot give you the area. Okay, we'll try to get the area, but hindi ko ibibigay yun kasi nandun yung answer. One of the question is yung area. Okay, I'll create a rectangle here.
Sir, dito ba yung mga kulay?
Ano yun? Wala, kahit walang kulay. No need. Kasi hindi naman tayo magpa-plot pa eh, guys. Ito, mag-create ako ng rectangle. Rectangle. Wala na. Ayaw. Rectangle.
Sir, inches po ba gagamitin?
I-disregard nyo lang yung inches. Pwede mm yun eh. Kasi hindi naman natin input yung measurement. Huwag nyo intindihin yun. Do not change the units.
Sige po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Circle. Circle na lang. Circle. I'll create a circle and then we measure the area. Yung command to measure the area is area. Guys, di ba? It's easy, area. Okay, so you have to choose object, no? Kaya nga, itong pagkakagawin ito yung Jericho star, it should be P-line para maging one object lang siya. No? So I'll choose yung object, yung circle. Ang circle is an object, no? Okay, yan. Ang area is how much, guys? Can you see? 21.2502. Okay? And then, hindi lang yun ibibigay niya, pati circumference bibigay din niya. And if this one, bibigay din niya yung perimeter. No? But actually, you can measure the perimeter na. You can count lang. Kasi you know ang units of every side. Lahat to. So times mo yung mga sides, you get the perimeter. Even without AutoCAD, you can get 2 times how many sides. Ilang sides yan. Okay? This one circle, wala siyang sides. So, ang bibigay niya, hindi perimeter, circumference. No? Yun yung term. Kasi it's round kasi. It's round. No? Area. Okay, gets? So that is the first question, area. Okay. Again, yung questions is on the second part. Okay, nandito siya sa second part. Again, down nga siya. property lot. Ito, this one is hidden. I will just turn on na to, no? Visible na. Okay, visible na siya. Ito, so two set disregard nyo to property. Hindi nyo na makikita hidden siya. So this is the multiple choice part. 12 questions lang, 5 points each. You get 60 points. Madali lang to. It's common sense kahit without the drawing. But syempre, ibang question is related do sa drawing. Kapag mali yung drawing nyo, if your drawing is not accurate, you cannot answer properly yung multiple choice. Kahit multiple choice siya. Malilito kayo, ha? Okay, since down ng blackboard, anyway, yung time, guys, anytime you can open until midnight. Kapag wala pa rin blackboard hanggang midnight tonight, i-adjust ko. Natural na i-adjust ko siya. No? And you have, once you open, you have, I allotted 180 hours plus kalahati, 90. 3 hours tayo today, di ba? So, say blackboard you is okay by 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. You can answer the question for 3 hours plus may allowance pa kayong 1.5 hours. So, mga 4.5 hours to answer and draw. Okay? Clear tayo dyan?
Yes, sir.
80 minutes plus allowance ng 90, ng ano. Tama, 180 pala. So, 90 plus 90 pala. 180 minutes plus 90. Okay, so the sa taas is 1. I'll change this one. But 120 lang to. I'll change this one to 180 rin. But 120 lang. Okay, I'll change now, Parang okay na. It should be 180. Para fair sa inyo, Hindi na ano yan. It's very, very fair. Ayan, okay na guys ang blackboard. Okay, so this is your exam na. Ayan. Can you see now? Okay, so again, ang description is draw the shape. Mali pa description na draw, okay. Okay naman siya. Okay, so draw the shape and submit yung DW file niya. No, yung AutoCAD file, you submit. Warning again, guys, may warning Every drawing has a digital signature. Version date, time, yung hour, minutes, seconds, username, processor nyo, yung computer nyo, OS, yung Windows nyo nakalagay din. IP address nakalagay din. So yung student that I will quote na same ang digital signature, exactly the same, baksak yun, automatic kagad Wala nang explanation, guidance counselor kagad yun. Okay? So this is your first part, no? Hands-on. Jericho Star. Okay, so 180 minutes na siya, 180 plus 90. The second part is this
Sir,
one.
question.
Yes? Sino yun? Camila.
Sir, yung fill in the blanks, saan po ilalagay?
May feedback
Abundant
na.
lang po.
Feedback, Aria. Feedback. Yung na
Okay.
itong like mo. Okay nga. Saan ilalagay yung fill in the blanks? Hindi syempre dito sa exam. This one is exam talaga. It's multiple choice. Fill in the blanks. So you have 5 choices per question. So yung isa is none of the above. So you actually have 4 choices lang. And 5 if merong none of the above. It's 12 questions lang, Ria, And again,
Word file po ba, sir?
no, multiple choice nga. It's multiple choice. May question ako doon, like this one nga. Mukhang down ng mukhang down ng blackboard ah. Diba, ito, can you see the questions, guys? Ito is similar question, ano? What is the area of your drawing? Yung Jericho Star, what is the area? Then, syempre, hindi ka naman pwede manghula. Saan mo kukunin ang answer? Ria. Then, syempre, you have to check your drawing. Okay? Siyempre, hindi ko may measure to eh. Yung area ng ito, makikita nyo agad yung answer, di ba? I will not measure. Kaya I created a circle here. Ayun. This is the answer for the area. A rectangle. We'll try rectangle or polygon. Okay, nag-create pa ako siyang line or polygon. Okay, area. Entity. Guys, remember yung command ha, area, then entity ha. Okay, the area is 7.6. Lahat, lagay nyo na, 7.6241. That is the area. Okay? But basically, ito na yung exam nyo, yung first part, 40%. This will be 40% na. Ano pa ba yung mga ibang tanong, guys? Tingnan natin yung ibang tanong ha. Okay. What is the distance from A to B? Okay. Measure niya distance. Another command na naman yung distance, ha? Siyempre, hindi ko measure to, no? Ang measure ko is from distance, ang command BIST. Can you see, guys? BIST. From point A to point C is 2. O, yun. 2 nga siya. Kasi ito na, nakalagay naman. Yun ang instruction, di ba? 2 lahat. All the sides is 2. Pero ang tanong niya is from A to B. Anong distance from A to B? Siyempre, hindi ko may measure. Makikita nyo agad yung answer. Pero, na-measure ko na yan. And nandun na sa exam nyo, nasa multiple choice na. It's the correct answer na. So, hanggang dito. Diba? Can you follow, Ria? Can you follow, guys? Can you have questions?
Yes, sir. Kapalo po.
Follow, ha? And then this one, what is the angle from A to B? This one, guys, you can answer without AutoCAD. You just take a look at the problem. You just follow the problem, this one. Ang sabi dito is 60. So, lahat is 60, 60, 62. Only 60, di ba? Ano sabi dito 60, oh. Oh, okay. Oh, di ba may instruction dito, 60 lahat ng angles. So, ang tanong niya is from A to B. Imagine there's a line here, A to B. No? So, what is the angle from A to B? If you have 60 here, ano magiging angle niya, guys? Sige nga, you can answer now. Even without using AutoCAD, you can get the answer. By imagination or just visual lang. Okay, imagine this is 60 degrees yung B. And this one, A then, is 60 degrees. You create a line from A to B. What is the angle? No? You can measure their drawing, but actually, you don't need to measure. It's actually common sense. By observant lang, being observant, and common sense. Visual. Okay? Any more question? Ano pa ba? So, guys, I suggest you use the P-line, ha? So, in P-line, in drawing lines or kite line, you have you have 3 systems, di ba? One is Cartesian coordinates, and then you use polar, and what else? Meron pa yung tatlong method yun But anyway, I will suggest you use the polar here. Ang suggestion niya, use either polar or Cartesian. No? But I think yung Cartesian is medyo mahirap. Yung polar madali. You use this one, angle. Ayan, may guide ko na dito, nilagay nyo, guys. Can you see this one? Kapag towards to the right is 0 degree. Your angle is L0. No, yung angle is yung greater small less than sign and 0 siya. If going to the right, and then if you're going to the to the top, it's 90 degree. Siyempre in between, pwedeng 45 degree, pwedeng 35 degree, 30 degrees, okay, and so on. Now, 0 ang right side, 90, 180, and 270. Using this system, yung polar coordinates, you can easily do the command, even without script. Or you can actually do script then, if takot kayo magkamali, manual. Actually, this one, I did manual lang, guys. Ria, you can do this in script file then. Parang lang. But yung script file, wala siya guys, yung angle ko is not survey. No? It's not applicable here yung using survey. No? You don't need to change. This is not a property, Wala siyang bearing, angle. Wala siyang degrees, minutes, and wala, di ba? It's not indicated, wala. Ang given is yung angle. Pero yung minutes, seconds, wala. Wala siya, degrees, wala. Okay, follow guys. Ito, given lang is angle lang, polar angle. This one. Okay, another one, guys. Anong unang-unang instruction niya? Normally, I always tell you, di ba, what is the starting point? What is yung recommended ko starting point is what?
0, po.
0, 0.
0, correct. But do not follow my instruction. Follow the test instruction. Ano instruction ng test?
3,
3, no? Yung x and y is 3. And then, syempre, may z dyan, 0. Automatic yung 0. 0 yung z. If you're using 3D. So, starting point is 3, 3. Tingnan natin yung drawing ko. Tama ako. Okay, ang 0, 0 is where? Itong 0, 0, guys, nakita nyo? So, this is 3, 3. I follow the instructions, the exam. So again, you have to follow yung exam kasi lahat ng tanong sa exam is related, dapat tama dito sa drawing. No? You follow, guys? So strictly follow 3, 3, not 0, 0. Starting point is 3, 3. Okay, tayo dyan, You can, during your exam, you can watch the video. Or before you take the exam, watch the video again, Okay. What else? Okay, so that, you know already the starting point, Start drawing in model space, coordinate 3, 3, Okay, this one is, use either polar, again, polar ang suggestion ko, do not, medyo mahirap tong Cartesian, Okay. And you use relative coordinates, meaning x and y lang. Automatic na yung z is 0. Laging 0 siya. Tatlo lagi yan, x, y, and z. Diba? I told you 3D. 2D is x, y lang. But actually, AutoCAD is always 3D yan. X, y, z. Actually, now yung Rivet, yung mga bago ngayon, yung mga bagong software, Rivet, yung mga BIM, it's 4D na. May kasama ng T, time. So kayo, slowly, mag-2D lang muna kayo. Okay, what else is the question? So this one, you have another command here. So this one, area, new command you learned today, area, and distance, DIST. Yung bold part lang guys, ayun yung command, area. And then, area is entity. Next is entity. Then distance. Then yung next natin titingnan is yung identity. Meaning, if you want to find the location of that certain point, if you want to know yung distance ng isang point, example, this point, itong lower, ito, guys. So, sorry wala yung ano. Okay. So, to verify if this is 3-3, we will check identity, ID. ID lang yung command, ID. Okay, so anong binigay niya? What is the coordinate? 3 lang. So, tama, no? Hold on, time out, guys. May nanay ko. Time out. Hello, ma. May klase ako eh. May exam ako mami right now, nanonood yung mga estudyante ko. Tatawag lang sa akin. Kung kaya magbas sila. Hold on, patay ko lang mic ko. Ano yun, ma? Okay lang, hindi susundin ko sa Cavite. Mas delikado kasi sa sakyan, di ba? Sinabi ko sa inyo, mas comfortable ako sa bus. Hello? Oo, may klase nga po kayo. Sige na. Sorry guys, ang kulit na nanay ko eh. Sorry ha. Okay, can you hear me? Nandiyan pa kayo? Can you still hear me guys?
Yes po.
Opo.
Yes, sir.
Uwi kasi yung ano ko youngest ko, na lockdown siya sa probinsya. Pinapauwi ko na. May mga kolorong kasi mga kotse pwede naman magbus, allowed na magbus eh. Okay, guys, so did you get yung ID, no? Identity. So yung point here, yung starting point is 3-3 talaga. Okay? Can you see 3-3 0 yung Z, binigay din yung Z. Okay, so may tanong doon. What is the question there? What is the identity? Identify the absolute. Di pala identity, identify. Sorry not identity. Identify ang command o ID lang. The absolute coordinate of C. So yun ang tanong. Hindi ko syempre. It's the question eh. Dito, this point. Ito yung question niya. No? So if your drawing is not correct, if it's not accurate, mali ang answer nyo. Mali ang multiple choice nyo. Okay, clear tayo dyan? Kaya you need to draw accurately. Walang daya, walang Just one command, P-line lang. Okay guys, and lahat ng sides is equal. Lahat ng sides is 2 ang units, ang measurement 2. And 60 degree ang lahat ng inside angle is 60. The outside angle is 120. Okay? Follow guys. Sino ba magagaling dito? Kaya-kaya? Kaya kang yakat? Marcel?
Kakayanin, sir.
Kayang-kaya. Sus, simple-simple yan. Mas mahirap pa yung ginawa na sa mas mahirap yung ginawa yun sa puro bilog. Hindi ko na binigay yun, guys. Kasi lang, tama lang pang tama lang isa lang. Okay? Next time ko na bibigay yun. Magpang-midterm siguro yun. Yung puro bilog. I'll show you na. Kung gusto niyo makita. May still sharing pa ba? Naka-share pa siya, no? Can you still see my screen? Okay, I'll just show you, ha? Quick view lang. Guys, hindi ako basta-basta nagbibigay ng exam. Kailangan may matutunan kayo. In every exam, kailangan may matutunan kayo. Hindi naman masyado mahirap. Tama lang. Tamang ano lang. Ito guys, oh, ito actually prelims ng ibang class ko. Next time bibigay ito. This is related yung ginawa natin before. Okay? So, next time na to. Okay, what else? Any more question, guys? Meron pa ba ibang na hindi ko na sabi? Okay, so you have 3 commands na, no? Area, distance. Saka yung dimension, ha? Dimension angle or dim ang, and dimension horizontal, dim hor. Or the dimension vertical is dim ver. Okay? DIM ver, DIM hor, DIM ang, angle. Okay, and what else? Yeah. Okay na lahat, guys. Can we now go to the exam? Pwede na ba? Kaya nyo na? Try natin yung exam.
Sir, may tanong po ako.
Yes, go.
Pag po nag-a-angle po ako, ba't po sa kabilang side po na pupunta?
Adi yung control mo yung mouse mo, i-move mo sa desired location mo. I'll just
Sige po,
I'll
sir, try
show you
ko.
again here. I'll show you my AutoCAD. Okay, so this one, no? Dim ang. So ito may measure ko na this angle, this should be 120. Ayan, ilalagay mo doon sa location ng gusto mo. Pwede dito, o pwede dito. This is the correct way. Okay?
Pag po sir, sa umpisa pa lang po ako yung tinatry ko po.
Dim ang.
Yung pag gumagawa na po ako ng P-line.
Ano bang object mo? May natapos mo na kang Jericho o iba?
Umpisa pa lang.
At yun naman, dito sa akin okay naman. Wala akong binago dito. Yung kung ano yung default setup. Okay? Nakita mo yun, ayan, no? First, yung AutoCAD will ask you two lines. Diba? Yung 2 lines ang unang niyang tatanong sa'yo. Okay, so let's get it 60. We can check if it's all 60 siya. Select one line, another line, at least 2. Okay, nakita niyo 60 lahat. Okay, and then yung labas is, again, parehas din. Oh, this is one way of checking if tama yung drawing nyo, ha? Okay guys, sige. I think we can start na. Wala na yung isa, yung naka-video.
Sir, question po.
Ria, yes, Ria.
Sir, ako po. Ano po, yung style questions po ba iba po din sa multiple choices sa test 2?
Yung story question, sorry?
Yung style questions,
You have 2 sets nga, di ba?
What is area ganito?
Yung first set is you have to draw.
saan po ilalagay yun?
yung second set is related kasi dito sa drawing nyo lang yung questions niya. So, yung multiple choice questions is related sa drawing. Just to check if tama yung drawing nyo. Kasi kung mali yung drawing nyo, mamamali ka rin doon sa question and answer. 60 points. Related silang dalawa eh. It's equally related. Kaya nga 640 ang hands-on, yung drawing is 40%. Then yung question and answer is 60%. 12 questions, kaya 5 points each. Trixie, gets mo, Trixie?
Opo, sir.
Kaya, di ba, I showed you yung question, this one. Di ba, you cannot answer these questions if you will not draw. Di ba? You have 12 questions dito, 6 lang. Or 7. Yung time, tinanggal ko yung time. No need yung time. Kasi, syempre, wala namang correct answer dun eh. Iba-iba tayong time. Di ba, time signature, digital signature nga ng AutoCAD nyo yun eh. Iba-iba tayo nag-start. Yung iba, mag-start ng mamaya siguro 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock yung iba, 6 o'clock. So, iba-iba ang starting period nyo. No? But today yan, guys, within today. Siguro okay na ngayon eh. So, here, 6 questions lang siya, o 7. Yung sa akin, it's 12 questions, 5 points each. Anything more, guys? Sino pa ba? Si Feline. Si Feline, madalas din magtanong sa akin to si Feline. Feline.
Feeling po,
yes,
sir.
Catwoman.
Bakit po? Po.
Okay ka lang? Walang tanong?
Wala
PM
naman
ka na
po.
naman dyan. Wala. Tapos mamaya PM naman.
Hindi, sir. Matatapos ko na nga. Joke.
Nox, ang galing. Yung gayahin nyo. Guys, kasi dapat kayo
Sir.
Joke lang.
ahit kayo sa
Sir, di ko ba
technology.
gets yung number 6, sir?
Sana all.
Yung number 6 na tanong.
How many
Third question.
AutoCAD objects? Ito, tama naman Number 6 ito, how many AutoCAD objects are in the finished drawing? Common sense lang to guys, sinabi ko na kanina. Kapag P-line, ano mangyayari sa object? Ilan? Kapag line ang ginamit nyo, ilan magiging object? Di ba I already told you kanina pa. Ha? Kapag P-line, nag-drawing kayo using P-line, how many object? Okay, guys. Without considering yung mga dimensions, yung mga text. Siyempre, on my drawing, this one, I'll show you. Count natin yung object. Okay. Without the text, okay. Select all, How many drawings ang nandito? Or erase all. Erase all. Kunyari lang, erase ang command. All. Ayan, 19 ang found. 19. Kasi may mga may mga dimensions, may mga pero hindi natin consider yan without considering those. Isa lang dapat siya. Yung object lang, without, dapat pala change ko yung yung wording ko. Ito lang guys, ito, ilan yan? Diba? Ilan lang yan? I'll change my, yung questioning ko. Bukas pala due date nito. Hanggang bukas guys, so you can answer the question. Hanggang tomorrow. Pero may time limit kayo Okay, until tomorrow, 11:59. So,
Sir, yung folder po naka-hide po.
Naka-hide pa rin.
Yung folder po ng
Preliminary, okay, naka-hide pa rin. Kasi nga, down ata yung yung Blackboard pa rin. Kanina ako pa chinage Ayun, visible na siya dito. Yung folder mo mismo, ang hide, hidden. I see, okay. Sorry guys, sorry po. Okay na? Can you see na?
Okay na
Thank
po,
you,
sir.
sorry Thank you for Okay, if you can start that now, habang online ako, if you have more questions, pwede nyo nang start. Start nyo na today. Nandito lang ako.
Sir, question po.
Ano yun?
Wala na po bang time limit yung paggagawa po ng plate? Parang halimbawa po, mabagal po kami gumawa. Okay lang po ba yung gano'n?
O di ba ang
Oo,
deadline
talaga,
is
30
until tomorrow? Ganito guys
Basta until
we need
tomorrow.
to put your grade. Oh, hanggang tomorrow. Kaya nga, maluwag ako di ba? Kahit yung ibang drawings nyo before, yung assignment number 1 saka number 2, ganun din, hanggang tomorrow. But guys, understand I need to submit your drawings, your grades, prelims. No, kaya may deadline pa rin talaga. No? Kasi we need to check You give us time to check. So after prelims, hanggang bukas lang talaga, wala nang extension yan. Hanggang bukas, we need to check na all your drawings or all your assignments and exams. Now, doon sa question and answer, that one is automatic yung checking. Yung sa exam kanina, automatic yon. Pero yung sa drawing, yung mga drawings, I will have to check manually. Kasi titignan ko rin kung nangopya lang kayo. Yung digital signature niya. Paulo Castro, Paulo, yung mga size ng dimension is not important. Basta na-check nyo lang kung tama lahat. No? Wala kahit malaki yung text, kahit maliit yung text, or kahit hindi makita, okay lang yan. No, hindi pa yun ang hindi pa yun ang topic natin. Different topic yan. Sizes of dimensions, sizes of different topic yan. Okay? So just disregard, no? Ang important is tama yung object nyo. Yung Jericho star. Okay, ganito na lang So ang requirement ko sa drawing is Jericho star lang. Pwede kayo maglagay nito, mga to, just to check lang. Pero ang requirement ko is ito lang. Okay? Wala lahat. Ito lang si Jericho. Okay? Yan lang. But syempre, you need to check. Kaya naman ako naglagay nun, just for checking. Okay? Okay tayo, Paulo? Paulo Castro?
Sir, yung
Yes.
yung star shape lang po ba
Yes,
isasubmit
ito lang. Yan lang. Kailangan make sure tama lahat ng dimensions Kaya kanina nag-dimensions ako. Kaya naglagay ako ng ganito. I'm checking kung tama ginawa ko. Di ba? I have to check.
Okay po, sir.
Kaya pagka in-erase mo lahat yan, ilan na matitira? Yung tanong ko kanina, di ba? How many objects is in my drawing? Ilan to? Pagka-clinic ko, ilan yan?
12 po.
Hindi, yung object, not yung points. I'm not asking yung points. I'm not asking yung size. Ilang object, ilang shape. Ang question is, how many object, di ba? Or entity. Ang term talaga is entity. This one, ang question is, how many AutoCAD objects? Objects or entity? Ilang objects yun? Guys. Okay? Isa lang siya. Kasi pagka pinindot mo siya, ayan Pagka sinelect mo siya, isa lang I'll select erase. Ilan yung sabi niya? One found. Diba? Gets niya? Say hindi to polyline. Okay, watak-watak na siya. Ayan Ilan to? Ilan bale? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 yun dapat. Hindi ko lang lang ako. 12 yan. It's 12. Kapag hindi pilay ng ginamit nyo kapag line, segmental siya. Separate yung lines. Okay, we erase. Tingnan yung AutoCAD ha. Check the AutoCAD. 12 pound 12 ang total Trace again. Tingnan nyo ang AutoCAD ha. 12 pound. 12 ang in-erase niya. Okay, pagkabuo, ito P-line, this is P-line. How many? Ang select niya, select natin, select. Ilan? 1 pound. Okay, clear? Tama ba? Sino yung nagtanong kanina? Okay, guys, can you hear me? Any more questions? Yan, okay na. Can you take the exam na? Habang nandito ako, you take na exam. Okay na, guys. AutoCAD muna, and then you the exam. Nandito ba si Jyril? Jyril? Masipag siya umatay si Jyril. Nasa si Jyril? Hello, Jyril. Nandiyan pa ba? Hindi na umatay si Jyril? Sumuko na agad? Kasi guys, paano ko ba pagbibigyan? Hindi naman kayo pwedeng pumasa in AutoCAD without computers, without AutoCAD. It's hindi kayo matututo. Paano ko i-assess? Diba? Natututo daw siya. Paano mo masasabi natuto ka? You're not submitting. You don't have any assignments. You don't have any exam. Because you don't have computers, AutoCAD. And then I gave him a deadline. Kung hindi siya makapag-submit, within the prelims, yung submission ng grade, I have no choice. Wala kang grade for prelims. Okay, nag-start na kayo mag-drawing? But you say nyo double accounts na iba ha? Double accounts. Okay, guys, yung lesson number 3, yung tangent, 21 pala nagsasubmit. So, ang dami pang hindi nagsasubmit, 13 ha. Sino-sino yan mga yan? Kevin Daso, nandiyan ba si Kevin? Kevin Daso. Kevin, nandiyan ka. Hindi ka pa nagsasubmit, Kevin Dazo, Arian, Denise. Arian, Denise. Nandiyan ba si Arian? Arian, nandiyan ka ba? Gian, wala ka pa rin na. Gian, wala kang submission na. Jerry.
Yes, sir. Magsasubmit po mamaya, sir.
Okay, Derek.
Dalawa na
Juan.
lang po kulang.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Jerome Hipolito. Again, guys, do not let your classmate copy your drawing, ha. Malalaman ko yan. Parehas kayong baksak. Okay, so waiting pa rin at 13 students.
Sir, ano yan? Dim angle ulit.
Dim Ang, yes, I'll show you now. For checking lang naman yun, guys, this one, okay. Can you see my star, yung Jericho star ko? Dim, ang command. In dim, so maraming dim, merong align, merong horizontal, merong vertical. Meron syempre angle. So yung first three letters lang, angle, ang. So I'll choose 2 lines kasi angle eh. So you need 2 lines, di ba? So this is the angle. 120. Ngayon, dalawa na siya ang entity ko, ang object, dalawa na. Two objects na siya. Di ba? Select. 1 and 2. Yeah, total is 2. Gets nyo, guys? Okay na yan? Sino nagtala ng angle? Okay na?
Sir, paano yung labels nilalagay? Saan makita yun?
Kahit hindi na. Kahit hindi na, di ba? Ang requirement ko is ito lang.
Yung angles lang, sir, sa akin, dimension ng lines.
Wala nang dimensions, wala nang guide, ano lang yun eh. Actually, this drawing is for, for the questions lang. Kaya meron ganito, different topic at ito guys, dimensioning, different topic yan eh, different time natin i-discuss, no?
Hindi, sir, yung ipapasa lang naman yung drawing mismo lang.
Yung star lang. And this one, yung point na to is, ang purpose nito mga to is for you to check lang and for you to answer yung question. Di ba meron dito, what is the angle from A to B? Di ba? From A, this one is point A to B. Ilan yun guys? Sige nga, kayo nga, answer nyo na ngayon, right now. Who can answer?
30.
Point A. Oh, yun. Common sense, di ba? It's easy. Very good. Thank you, ha. Ayun, may bonus na kayo, guys. Ang dami nyo ng bonus, ha. Sobra. Exam pa ba yan? Binigay ko na lahat ng mga answers, ha. Sa 12 questions, halos nandun na lahat ng answers. Okay. So, paano? We'll stop the recording na. You can proceed now with your exam. Okay, can we start the recording now? You can just, kaya-kanya na, guys, na-explain ko na lahat. Almost, nabigay ko ng answers eh, actually. It's, very, very fair na yun. Yun lang, don't cheat yourself lang, guys. Yun lang suggestion ko. Huwag niyong spoil ang sarili nyo. Do not cheat yourself. Kasi kayo rin ang talo. And yung isa kanina, please try your best to get a computer, ha? Hindi naman fair din sa akin, eh. Ang dami pa niyang tanong, yung kulit-kulit pa ulit-ulit. Parang gusto niyang bibigay ko siya ng grade without AutoCAD, without computer. Paano ba naman yun? Pwede ba yun? Guys, kung put yourself in my place. Kayong professor, tapos ako yung estudyante nyo. Wala akong computer, wala akong AutoCAD. Pwede ba yun? And then yun ang opya ka pa. Yung copy, yung drawing ng classmate mo o ng ibang tao. Actually, hindi ko sure kung kayo talaga gumawa niyan eh. You can ask anybody to do that one. But again, ang nililoko nyo sarili nyo lang. Sayang opportunity to learn. Do not take things for granted. Ha? Sayang effort ko. Guys, I'm teaching lang to parang give back to my profession. Giving back lang. So yung mga new generations, yung magsasalo ng problema ng mundo. Kaya you need to learn. Tina-transfer ko lang yung alam ko para sa inyo. Okay, I think it's enough now. We can stop the recording na. I'll say goodbye na, guys. Can we take pictures? Attendance? Can you on your camera? Attendance? Nasaan ako? Ba't parang ako Okay, attendance, everybody. And good luck sa exam, guys. Ha? I think it's very fair. Maganda tong matutuwa kayo dito. Tama-tama lang. Hindi ko na kayo papirapan. Yun, oh. Gagandang bata, oh. O, diba parang magkakaedad lang tayo? Tatawa na naman iba dyan. Okay, guys. I'll count 1 to 3, ha? Smile. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Thank you so much for attending and good luck sa exam. Study well, ha? Study hard.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir.
Huwag magtatampo, ha? Huwag magtatampo. Pakisabi kay ano, ha? Huwag magtatampo. Kay Jerry, ha? Tulungan niyo si Jerry. Kung may extra computer kayo, let him ano na lang, borrow. Ha, guys? Tulungan yung classmate nyo, ha? Help. Magtulungan kayo.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, kahit yung murang computer lang, pwede naman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ha? Okay, bye-bye. Goodbye. Yes?
Sir. Eh, paano pag yung home computer pinag-amin?
Ano yung Jim? Sorry, Jim?
How about yung home computer pinagamit? Just to try po sa kanya, sir. Pwede po ba yan?
Computer ginagamit, paano po?
Like, my own computer, like, papahiram gano'n, para makagawa lang siya.
Pwede yung papahiram ka. Basta you need to submit yung, yung computer.
Kasi yun lang yung problema, sir. Sabi mo, pag parehas yung IP and ewan, ganyan.
Okay. Okay. Tama. Minsan iba yung computer, no? Okay lang yun. Pero minsan yung IP address, parehas lang naman. Basta yung obvious na exactly parehas. Yung dalawang student.
No, sir. Para mag-send na rin ng video or picture na gumawa siya.
Tapos?
Pero gamit niya yung computer ko. Ganun. Pero may proof na siya yung gumawa talaga with a video.
Naku, parehas kayo ng bahay. Nakatira siya sa bahay mo. Ganon?
Hindi, sir. Hindi. Just want to help.
Naku, hindi eh.
Pwede yung pahiram.
Hindi talaga, hindi possible eh. Imposible eh. Hindi naman kayo magkapatid. Ang ano kasi guys, pati yung date, ganito kasi yan eh, magkakaparehas kayo sa date eh. Yung digital signature na sinasabi is yung date, parehas, exactly. Then yung time, yung hour, minutes, and seconds, parehas. Di ba? It's
Hindi,
weird.
sir,
Hindi.
Well, ganito sir, for example, nagawa ko na yung activity and I'm done. And pinahiram ko yung laptop para makagawa din siya.
Yun nga, hindi mo kayo magkapatid eh. Paano? Hindi eh. So magkakaiba yung time saka date, yun ang sinasabi mo, pero parehas yung computer, parehas yung computer OS, parehas. Doon siya magkakaparehas, ano? Tama ba? Yun yung tanong mo, no?
Yes, sir.
Ang iba lang is yung date and time.
Yes.
Ganun pa rin, you can easily check, you can cheat pa rin eh. Pwedeng ikaw yung gumawa,
But
separate
may proof, sir.
process.
But may proof siya, sir. For example, may proof siya na nag-video siya.
Hindi, guys, talaga imposible. Hindi naman kayo magkapatid eh.
Okay, sir.
different address pa rin talaga eh. Hindi talaga acceptable eh. Sorry, hindi talaga acceptable kasi ibang bahay talaga. No? Ay, ang ganda ng ano mo, gusto mo tulungan ng classmate. Again, do not spoil your classmate then. Ha? Mahirap ang mundo, guys. Mahirap ang mundo, ang buhay, mahirap ang buhay. So, hindi mo pwedeng kang spoiled. You have to, and also, nag-enroll ka for CAD eh. It's yun talaga eh, CAD ang in-enroll mo. CAD is dalawang requirements, computer and AutoCAD. Tapos ang schools ngayon is all online. So talagang hindi talagang pwede excuse eh. Sorry ha. Pero thank you for asking, Khalid ha, Jim. Ganda ng attitude. No? Tinuturo ko, wrong way ha. Medyo wrong way. You let him na lang use other computers na lang kung meron kang spare. Yung meron kayong old PC, yun na lang. Try to help na lang. Use yung PC na hindi nyo ginagamit, bulok na, pwede naman eh. AutoCAD can be installed naman kahit old PC. Yung mga release 14, it's the same lang yan. Yung mga lumang AutoCAD is totally the same ang output. Yung output sa papel, pagdating sa papel, parehas na parehas. Okay? Mas gusto ko yung mga lumang style eh. Okay, thank you guys. Jim, thank you ha. Talib.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and then reminder ha, submit all your assignment before tomorrow ang deadline lahat. Lahat tomorrow. Okay, goodbye. Thank you, Tricia.
Thank you po.
Bye, sir. Thank you po.
Hello. Stay pa kaya. Bye-bye. Goodbye.